All my life I've been working for farms and farmers, and I started growing my own potatoes in 1981. Started with 35 acres, and then from there it's been growing to where I am today. Right now we're standing here in my shop. This is where I keep all my equipment parked for the winter. I love growing potatoes. That's all I know how to do, to be honest. Normally, on a normal good year, I will grow up to 24,000 tons of potatoes. I used to lose sleep over a bad crop. I started buying crop insurance in 1987. And I'll be honest with you, there's been a couple of years where it's come in and saved me. When I first bought crop insurance, and it was from Brad Rizabay, he told me this. He says, Frank, don't rely on crop insurance, but it'll keep you from going broke. And it has a couple of times.
I've known Frank for a long time. He is a really neat guy. I used to actually be his fieldman and sampling his fields, and so I've known Frank for a long time. And then when I started selling insurance, it was easy to just maintain that relationship and pick him up.
I've known Paul, since the beginning. And he just told me as we were walking by the circle that when they first came here, they grew 2 circles of potatoes. So you want somebody that's been involved, you want somebody that knows what's going on, you want somebody that understands when you have problems, and that's there to kind of guide you, and somebody else wouldn't know what to do.
One thing I like about Frank is he's really down to earth. He knows farming. He came from a background from Mexico, but he keeps that in roots in his value system, and I really value his relationship.
There's a trust factor in all of this, where you have to trust the people that you're working with. Because if you don't trust the people you're working with, come on, you're not gonna sleep at night. It's not gonna be there.